Cleaning your air fryer shouldn't feel like a chore, but for a lot of people it does. Grease buildup, stuck on food, weird smells, and no dishwasher to make it easy. So what's the fastest way to clean your air fryer by hand without damaging it? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method that makes your air fryer look almost brand new. We will use things you probably already have at home, and there's one mistake most people make while cleaning that can actually ruin the non-stick coating. Step 1. Let it cool down properly. Before you do anything, make sure your air fryer is completely cool. This might seem obvious, but a lot of people try to clean it right after cooking. That's risky, not just because of burns, but because sudden temperature changes can damage the coating over time. So give it a few minutes, unplug it, and once it's cool to the touch, you're ready to start. Now that it's safe to handle, let's move on to the step that makes everything else easier. Step 2. Remove and soak the basket. Take out the basket and tray, and don't rush this part. Fill your sink with warm water and add a few drops of dish soap. Place the basket and tray inside and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps loosen grease and stuck on food, so you don't have to scrub aggressively later. And trust me, that one step saves you a lot of effort. But what if soaking alone isn't enough? Step 3. Gentle scrubbing. After soaking, take a soft sponge or brush and start cleaning the basket. Most of the grease should come off easily at this point. Make sure you avoid anything abrasive like steel wool or hard scrubbers. They can scratch and damage the non-stick coating. For everyday cleaning, this step is usually enough, but sometimes you'll still see stubborn spots that just won't come off. Step 4. The baking soda trick. If you're dealing with tough grease or burnt residue, here's a simple trick that works almost every time. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a thick paste. Apply it to the problem areas and let it sit for a few minutes. Then gently scrub with a soft sponge. You'll notice that the buildup comes off much more easily without damaging the surface. This method is especially useful if you haven't cleaned your air fryer in a while. And once your basket is clean, there's one part most people forget completely. Step 5. Clean the inside of the air fryer. Now let's talk about the inside, because this is where a lot of hidden grease builds up. Food particles and oil can collect around the heating element over time, especially if you cook frequently. Use a soft cloth or sponge with a small amount of soap and gently wipe the interior. Make sure the unit is unplugged and don't use too much water here, just enough to clean the surface. This step helps prevent odors and keeps your air fryer running efficiently. But what if your air fryer still smells even after cleaning? Because that's something a lot of people notice, and it usually means you missed this next step. Step 6. Remove odors the right way. If your air fryer has a lingering smell, it's usually caused by leftover grease or residue. To fix this, mix water with a little vinegar or lemon juice and wipe down the inside. You can also run the air fryer empty for a few minutes at a low temperature to burn off any remaining particles. That combination usually gets rid of most odors. And once that's done, you're almost finished. But there's one final step you don't want to skip. Step 7. Dry everything properly. Before putting your air fryer back together, make sure everything is completely dry. This includes the basket, tray, and interior surfaces. Moisture left behind can lead to odors or affect performance over time. You can air dry the parts or use a clean towel. Just don't rush this step, because proper drying is what keeps your air fryer fresh between uses. Common mistakes to avoid. Now before you go, let's quickly cover a few mistakes that can actually damage your air fryer, because these are more common than you think. Don't use metal scrubbers or harsh chemicals. Don't soak the main unit in water, only the removable part. And don't skip regular cleaning, because buildup only gets harder to remove over time. Avoiding these mistakes will keep your air fryer working like new for much longer. And when you combine everything we've covered, cleaning becomes a lot easier than most people expect. So cleaning your air fryer without a dishwasher doesn't have to be complicated. Let it cool, soak the basket, clean gently, and don't forget the inside. Do this regularly, and your air fryer will stay clean, smell fresh, and perform better over time. It's really just about building a simple routine. For your convenience, we have added links to all the cleaning essentials in the description below. And if you want to avoid other common air fryer mistakes that can affect performance, check out my next video. It might save you time and money.